Alright everyone, you know that the clutch was stuck on the tractor, and I actually been trying to sell it but not getting too many buyers on it because of that clutch being stuck. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pull it out. We're going to drag it down the road and see if we can get this clutch to free up. Now I have the clutch already strapped down. It's strapped on right here, and it's as far as it'll go down. So we're going to leave it there, and then we're going to drag it in gear and see if this thing's going to break loose. Yeah, I'll try to knock it out. I don't know if it'll go. That's the problem.
Put it in gear, it won't move. Because it clutch.
Yeah.
Oh, either way, you'll be able to.
Well, I'll take it down there and stop, and you can pull around me. Okay, get me rolling. Okay guys, guess what? That's all it took. It's out of gear. All we gotta do is fire it up. It should be fine. It should run okay. That's all it took. I'm pretty sure it's out. Hey Josh, do me one favor. I need that ether out of that garage. It's in that second drawer right there. Thing in there. Huh. Oh, this thing's leaking like a sieve now.
What, fuel?
Go over there and hit it. Okay, hit the ether in that hole down there by the carburetor. the gas shut off. Alright, that's all it took. It took, what? A bump going down the driveway, knocked it loose. It's free. This tractor will run, and you can do whatever you want with it. We do got a little gas leak down here in the bottom, right on the bottom of that bowl. I built a gasket and put on it, but it didn't seem to work that good. So we're going to order a gasket for it, and then we're going to put this thing up for sale and just get it out of our lives. We're done with it. But it does run, and it does move on its own power. So, I love it. Alright, as you guys can see, the tractor did move on its own. We put it into gear, knocked it in and out of gear, moved it back and forth inside the garage. We're not going to have any problem with it. I think it's good to go ahead and sell the tractor. And you guys know how many parts I put. I put a lot of parts on this thing, and it is a good little tractor. And one thing about it, you can't even hear the motor run when it's running. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing up for sale and see if I can go ahead and get rid of it. Just get it out of the garage, make myself some room, and honestly, I'd be happy to get rid of it, to be honest with you. It's just been in the way. It's kind of holding me up on a lot of projects I want to do, but it's a tractor, and it definitely runs good. Just took a small bump out the driveway, and went ahead, it knocked itself out of gear, or the clutch freed up. And I think most people, when they have problems with this, they'll either drag them down the road, you know, leave the machine off, bump them into gear, and drag them until they break free. I knew that this one couldn't have been too froze up because it wasn't very long ago that the tractor actually moved on its own. So I think we did a fairly good job. We got the tractor running. It does move back and forth, no problem. The clutch works, the brakes work on it. I think it's going to make somebody a good little tractor if you want to mow grass with it or something like that. But, you know, I don't have a mower for it or anything, or a sickle bar or anything. But for someone who wanted to fix up an old tractor and just to have it, I think it's definitely going to be a good tractor. Does have a little leak. It still has that leak in the back here. Now, somebody mentioned it to me that the water may have gotten down in here. I have to tell you, this tractor's never been in the rain. This tractor's been garage kept its whole entire life. It's never been outside in the rain. So, that being said, I think it's definitely a good little tractor. Okay, well, I would like to tell all you guys thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.